Papercraft Essentials, issue 183, just landed here at paperwishes.com. And you can see that it's going to talk about some fun, interesting, kind of make a scene items. And here is what you're going to get. All of these stamps, there are 19. Let's see, can we get a little closer, Steve? Perfect, thank you. And then there are 4 dies. So you can see the books, you can see the cat. There are all of these pieces, and it will probably make a little more sense when I show you the embossing folder. Look, you're going to see the bookshelf and a few books on it already, but then you can also play with the stamps, the dies to create your own scene. Okay, let's go into the magazine and get a close-up of some of the projects. So here, I wanted to show you this because this is Lavinia, and we will be getting these stamps in. So this is another UK manufacturer, and everything they have is very, very magical, very whimsical. Just wanted you to know that. And you have some projects right here in this issue. Now, let me move on ahead. And this is giving you some fold cards, book fold cards. And one thing I wanted to show you is that you are going to get step-by-step instructions and some illustrations. And with this one, I wanted to point out that this is kind of like our book pop-out die cut card. So if this is an interest, and it's really fun just to see how they've used all of those elements. Now this will also show you, again, step-by-step how to make it. Very, very fun. It's a nice way to really expand the use of those products. Now this is another section, and this is making shaker cards, but rather than using acetate, they're using tulle. Tulle is a netting that's found in fabric stores, and I thought that was a really interesting, different kind of take on shaker cards. Wanted to show you that the Faraway Forest is a brand new set of products from Daisy May Designs. They're showing them to you here, but I wanted you to know we have them and will have them at paperwishes.com. Okay, so we're just up to date on everything. This is a cut out and keep section. Now you can pull this out. There are 16 projects shown. And I thought I would just flip through here and show you some of the ones that really caught my eye. You can see that it's nice that Happy Birthday is one of the stamps. Just you've got one more chapter. That's cute, just in case someone is going with a new chapter in their life. Here is the card that was on the front and one right there. And let me show you. There is more using the embossing folder and doing some inking over the top of it. Again, step-by-step photos walk you through that process. I thought that was just really cute. And we're going to go here where that's really fun to do a bookmark. Perfect idea, or a book tab that will work too with all of these items. Nice to see some things other than cards and pages. And here are some more. We've got using the embossing folder and putting that sweet little kitty. It's absolutely a charming stamp and die that matches. And this is Over the Hedge. Now this is a series of products from Craft Consortium. The reason why I'm showing you this is because these two are on order and they have just absolutely charming imagery. So I wanted you to know that. Then I'm going to go back here. This is some new dies from Crafter's Companion, and they are here with us at paperwishes.com. So not only do you have these fun things to work with and to create with, but you also have some new ideas, new techniques, and new products. And best of all, they're all going to be here. We are delighted to share with you the Papercraft Essentials magazine from our friends at Practical Publishing over the pond in England.